right, let's just get this out of there. They're going to change it.
Well, no, we.
If she stands back there hiding,
stand there. We're not going to ask you any questions. We just. Okay, John. What can you say? You didn't get what you wanted in court today.
Yeah, and we're gonna consider refiling the motion. We had to scramble, in the last 2 days and try and gather up what we could, and the judge at the end said that he would consider this motion again. So we're gonna come back, and hopefully the next time the judge will allow her to go back to where she works.
The judge said that he did not see any credible or specific threats on Facebook that you guys were talking about.
Well, actually, what he said was it sounded like he'd been the subject of some of that stuff, and he did take it seriously. But you don't know who these people are that are posting. I mean, they might be crazy, they might be legit. So, I think it's something you have to take into consideration.
What about the fact that he said that she's taken 14 cruises in less than 2 years, has a passport, and all of that is concern for him?
Well, the point of the cruises is to show that this particular cruise was not something out of the ordinary. It wasn't something that she did to try and get away. She goes on cruises a lot. Like some people go to Destin a lot. She just goes on cruises a lot. We'd gladly turn in a passport. That's really not an issue to me.
What has this done to her?
Well, it's been devastating, quite honestly. It's been very, very difficult on her.
What?
And just in terms of, obviously she had a job, she's never been in trouble before.
Right.
You were saying in court you wanted to set the record straight because she's obviously looped in with Cynthia and Dennis, but what do you want to say about that?
Yeah, so there's absolutely no allegation of child pornography or children in any sense. There's an allegation of one thing that occurred 5 years ago, okay? No allegation of any criminal conduct before, no allegation of any criminal conduct in the last 5 years. So 5 years ago, something happened that we don't even know yet. So there's nothing to do with child pornography or children in this case.
Have you seen the evidence from the AG's office?
No.
As for a lawyer, what do you want to say to the public? Or even what does she want to say to the public?
What we would say is just let the justice system work. The justice system works pretty well in this country. Well, let's wait till all the evidence comes in instead of making all these stupid comments on Facebook. Just let the system work.
How concerned were you with those threats? I know you briefly touched on them, but she legitimately feared for her safety.
Well, yeah, if you've ever been the subject of those, you sometimes think, oh, well, they're just crazy people, but you never know, and it does bother you. You wake up in the morning, you hear something at night, you don't know what it is. So even though most of those people are crazy, you don't know for sure.
So the part that I was confused by, does she live in North Carolina? Does she live in North Carolina, or does she live in Louisiana?
She has 2 residences. A lot of people have 2 residences. And she splits her time between 2 states. She's employed out of state.
Can you tell us how she met Dennis Perkins?
I have no idea.
Does she want to say anything?
Okay.
Is there anything else you guys would like to say?
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Let me grab that mic.
Oh, yeah. Wait. We had an agreement, guys.
They hid behind you. We couldn't see her.
What?
We couldn't see. We told you that. She got behind you guys.
All right. Chris and Aaron, don't lose your credibility with me.
Well, we asked you that, and we told you. Chris, can you come guide me, man?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm behind you, Jim.
Okay. You're good. You got to grab my back, man. You got to try to help. Sorry about that.
You're good.
Rick, watch your back. Watch your step.
Really, y'all? Really?
You had her hidden behind, John.
Right.
If
when
she'd
she
have
said
stood
that,
between
we said
y'all,
that
we'd
she was hiding behind you.
Stand her between us and we don't have to do that.